Hi, I'm Starkey from driftworks.com, and today we're going to have a look at the Nitron R3 coilovers. So Nitron have had over a decade of success celebrating lap records and race wins all over the world. So now we sell them at Driftworks, and we even use them on some of our cars here. Phil's V10, the E46 with the V10 M5, and the Lamborghini Murcielago both use Nitron coilovers. So Nitron coilovers are designed, developed and manufactured in the UK in their headquarters in the Motorsport Valley in Oxfordshire. So Nitron pride themselves on their customer service. They have service centres all over the world. So no matter what you need, you know you're going to be able to get the best bits for your Nitron coilovers. All of the Nitron coilovers have a unique serial number. So that means if you ever have an issue and you're in America or Japan, you can contact the service centre there and they will know exactly how your Nitron coilovers were built. So you can send it there for a service and it will be returned to you in as new condition. They'll refurbish the oil, the seals and everything that you need to ensure your Nitron coilovers work perfect every time. So today we've got a Nitron R3 coilover kit for one of our customers. This exact kit is going on a Nissan R32 GTR, so a pretty cool car. So this is the front coilover for the R32. It uses an eye mount fitting. Obviously each kit will vary depending on what car you have. As you can see, there's no top mount here, but they are supplied with top mounts. So again, these are a lovely big kit. They are all pillable mounted top mounts as well. And then this is the rear for the R32, and it has a fork mount bottom bracket. So on both the front and the rear, the adjustment is the same. So on the top, you have your damping controls. These are set from the factory, so we're not going to give it a twiddle, but you can adjust the amount of damping you have on the top. Then on the reservoir, you have two separate adjustments for your fast and slow rebound, so you can control it there. And as with the front, the top mount is supplied, just not fitted. So here's the top mount for the R32. And again, it will vary on application. So this is a 2-bolt rear for that, and again, pillable mount. Most of the Nitron kits use a combination of springs and helper springs, but when ordering, you can specify what springs you would like. So when you place an order, we'll contact you and go through all the options to get the right coilover kit for your car. One of my favourite features about the Nitron kit, which I've never seen before, is the C spanner. You know, it's not actually much of a C at all. And this is the tool used to adjust the locking collars on the actual coilover kit itself. So there is it's like a drift basically, and there's specific holes on the locking collars, and you can use this to lock and unlock the locking rings. Really cool. Never seen it before. Very jazzy. So all of the Nitron kits come with this little slip containing all your documents, a couple of stickers to let people know what coilovers you are running, because you know, stickers. And then they've got the little information pamphlet telling you all about your coilovers and how you adjust them, how you set them up, and lots of little bits of information there. So real nice bit of information for the kit. So then you've got the build sheet, which has everything about your coilover kit, even who built it. So Mr. P. Dowsett built this kit. So, you know, Paul, Pete, thank you very much for this kit. The other real cool bit, as mentioned, you can service your Nitron coilovers. So they give you like a car service book where you can get stamps and dates for when they were rebuilt, which is a nice little touch. So there we go. This has been a very quick look at the Nitron R3 coilover kit, this particular kit for an R32 GTR. As always, please do check out driftworks.com to see our entire range of coilovers. We sell more than just Nitrons. We've got KWs, HSDs, BCs, and Tyne. And if you have any questions, please do send a message below, and our amazing sales team will happily answer any questions you have. So there we go. This has been a very quick look at the Nitron R3 coilover kit.